Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by signing into iCloud. Come with your Apple ID and two-factor authentication ready. Once signed in, go straight to Photos and make a local backup. Download the albums or select all and export to a folder. Make sure to check which devices have iCloud Photos enabled so you understand where deletions will propagate. After your backup completes, proceed to the Photos view to begin selection and removal. This prevents irreversible data loss and keeps control of what you delete. You now select images. Use moments, years, or albums to pick broad groups, and then Shift-click or CMD/Control-click to expand your selection efficiently. Once you have the images chosen, click Delete. This removes them from iCloud Photos and all sync devices because iCloud is a shared library. Note that deleted photos move to recently deleted for 30 days. This gives you a safety window. Make sure you've selected only what you intend, because mass deletions are difficult to reverse without your backup. Once done, go to Recently Deleted and choose Delete All to permanently remove items and free iCloud storage now. Otherwise, they auto-remove after the retention period. If you want to stop future syncs, make sure to turn off iCloud Photos on each device and confirm you kept local copies. If deleted photos reappear, make sure every device has completed syncing, sign out and back in, and check iCloud settings. This resolves most conflicts caused by delayed sync or a device still uploading content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.